Back in March I decided to take a walk down by the river. I thought I'd start at the Andrassy Bridge at the back of the library and walk alongside the river down to the Trent Bridge. There were a pair of swans, already made their mind up where they were going to build the nest this year, but they hadn't actually started on it yet, and I didn't see another pair along this stretch. Being as there were no leaves on the trees yet, it was quite nice being able to see from the Trent Bridge, over the river and alongside Stapen Hill Road, back towards the Andrassy Bridge. As I turned my back on the river, from the Andrassy Bridge, there's the library, the water tower, and then the Meadowside, and then of course it was Bargates. But there's something happening at Bargates. Everywhere's boarded up. Bargates was in the process of being demolished. The workmen were clearing out the insides of the old bowling alley ready for pulling down. And over by High Street they were getting on quite well with the pulling down of the buildings. There's no longer the big iron balls smashing into buildings. Now it's these big machines with fantastic jaws. And here we go, a last pull on a piece on High Street. I then remembered that there was another demolition going on, and this is down Horninglow Road. The redundant Ind Coope tower was also in the process of demolition. Being as the sun was on the wrong angle yesterday, I came back this morning to see what was really happening. Here there was an even bigger machine at work. Here it is manoeuvring into position, and it's fascinating watching how the jaws on the end go up to the top of this tower. These jaws aren't so big as the other one, but the power in them, just you watch this. And what happens to all the rubble as it falls to the floor? The empty lorries are going in, one after the other, drawing up and being filled with the rubble. Well, here there's some diggers working away. Nicely patted down by the bucket so that it doesn't come out over the edge as it's being transported. And then the lorry goes off and has a tarpaulin put over the top so that the wind can't blow the rubble when it's on the main road. And away goes the lorry, filled with hardcore. Now what's happened to these places now that the demolition has finished? Well, this is Bargates. Wow. Grass. You wouldn't believe it was the same place. They've even done a little Bargates job on the corner with some old minis and some flowers. And you can see right across to the local landmark, the water tower on the top of the hill at Winshill. And the Ind Coope tower. One empty yard standing alongside the railway line.